Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see some other features of the Snapchat ads platform, which is going to be pixel, apps, and catalogs. So let's have a look at this. So once we are on the platform and we go to manage ads, under assets, there is pixels. So pixels is basically from here also, you can create a Snapchat pixel, which you can then use for tracking your conversions. So this is another option. So we had seen this already in Events Manager, but it can be done from here as well. The same process, you can create a pixel, give it a name, and then start the whole process once again, wherein we have to connect the ad account for which you want to create the pixel and then create the custom conversion. So this is one of the options which you have as well. Second is apps. Apps is basically going to be where you can also create a custom audience for your mobile apps. So we saw this in the app promotion campaign. So if you want to target a specific custom audience who are taking actions inside your mobile app, then you can use this particular section where you can add the app. Let's say our app is Uber, and we can add the Android app URL. So how this is going to help you is you can create custom audiences for your mobile app. Okay, so you can connect your account with any of these particularly partners, and it will help you create custom audiences. People who visit your app, who take specific actions, we can create those custom audiences to target them with our Snapchat ads. So that's the idea of apps. And then the last one is catalogs. So catalogs, here you can access them. Catalogs is useful for e-commerce brands. If you're selling products on the website, like an e-commerce brand like Amazon, then we can create a catalog. So catalog will have product details. Okay, so various products. So you can say products list. So there are multiple ways of doing this. One is you can upload it in a product feed, which is like a Google spreadsheet in which you upload all the details. Second is manually add products. So you can one by one, you can use a CSV file to create the catalog, or else you can connect to a e-commerce platform from where you can import the catalog details like Shopify. So three ways of doing that. So this is primarily useful when you want to run specific shopping related ads, product ads, which you want to run, then we make use of the catalogs. So these are the three features which you will get under assets, which we can make use of.